Hey guys, welcome back to Hustler's Algorithm. In this video, we would be learning the concept of BFS. So, in BFS, we are given a source node. Let's say the source node is 0, and this source node, we just visit all the neighboring elements for this source node simultaneously. So, from 0, we will visit 1, 2, and 3 in one iteration, and in the next iteration, as there is no element connected to 1, so 1 we will not visit anywhere. So for 2 we have 4 connected to it directly, so we will visit 4. And from 3 there is no element connected, so we will not visit anyone. So from 4 again we'll visit 5 and 6, and from 5 and 6, as there are no elements connected, we will not visit anywhere. So the output will be first 0, then 1 2 3, as we visit 1 2 3, then from 2 we visit 4, and then from 4 we visit 5 6. Okay, so we can maintain a queue because first we are visiting 0, then from 0 we are visiting the next elements. So let's maintain a queue. So now we'll put the first element, which will be the source, into the queue. Now let's pop the first element and let's add it to our answer. Now put all the elements which are connected to 0 into the queue, which will be 1 2 and 3. So let's put them 1 2 and 3. So now in the next iteration, let's remove 1, add all its neighboring elements. As there is no element, we'll not add anyone. First we'll add 1 in our answer. Now from 2 we will just remove 2, add it to our answer, and 4 is connected to 2 directly, so let's add 4 into our queue. Now remove 3, let's add it to our answer. Now as there are no more elements connected to 3, will not do anything. Then just next pop the next element 4, add it to our answer, then push all the elements which are connected to 4 into the queue, which will be 5 and 6. Now then we will remove 5, add it to our answer, and as there are no element connected to 5, will not add any element. Then remove 6, add it to our answer, then as there are no elements connected to 6, will not add anything. So in this way we'll maintain our answer. So one thing we have to remember is, let's say we have this direction from 3 to 2, then from 0 2 will be visited, right? So from 3 we will not visit the 2 again. So for this we'll maintain a visited array, and in this visited array we'll keep track of all the visited elements, like for 0 1 2, we'll keep track of all visited element so that we will not visit any element twice. So yeah, this is it. So let's code it down. So we'll maintain a resultant array list. Now let's maintain a queue in order to store the elements. So let's add our first element into the queue. And now mark it as visited. Let's maintain a visited array. There will be v nodes which which are also called as vertices. So let's pop the first element. So we'll take out the element from the queue while it is not empty. Now for this element, what we'll do is we will traverse all its neighboring elements. First we will add it into our answers list. Now just traverse all its neighboring elements. Now if this element is not visited earlier, then just add it into the queue and just mark it as visited. So yeah, now at the end we can return our answer. So let's test it. Yeah, we have to add there. Yeah, it should run fine now. Boolean array. So yeah, we have our answer right. So we can just submit it. Yeah, this is the correct answer. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more such videos.